You've probably heard that backyard chickens are expensive, noisy, and way too much work. But what if almost everything you've been told about keeping chickens is completely wrong? There are myths floating around the internet right now that are quietly stopping good people from having fresh eggs in their own backyard, and some of them sound so reasonable, you'd never question them. Stick around, because by the end of this video, number 4 is going to change the way you think about chickens forever. Welcome back to Earthly Gardening. If you're new here, so glad you found us. This channel is all about helping you grow, raise, and thrive in your own backyard without spending a fortune doing it. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a tip that could save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. And before we dive in, if you've ever thought about keeping chickens but something held you back, drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. Now let's get into it. So here's what happened. A friend of mine wanted to start keeping chickens last spring. She had the space, she had the interest, and honestly she had everything she needed. But every time she got close to starting, someone would say something like, "Oh, that's way too expensive," or "Your neighbors are going to hate you," and she kept putting it off. A whole year went by. No chickens. No eggs. Just a doubt. And when I sat down with her and we went through every single concern one by one, we realized something. Almost none of it was true. It was all myths. And the scary part is these myths are everywhere. So today we're going to kill them. One by one. Myth 1, you need a lot of space to keep chickens. Let's start with the one that stops most people before they even begin. The idea that you need a huge yard to keep chickens. People picture a full farm with a massive barn and acres of open land. But that's not what backyard chickens actually look like. The truth is, a small flock of 3 to 4 hens can do perfectly well in a compact, well-designed coop. We're talking about a setup that fits comfortably in a corner of a regular backyard. Each chicken needs about 3 to 4 square feet inside the coop and around 10 square feet in an outdoor run. That's it. You can make that work in a space smaller than most garden beds. The key is smart design, not size. Vertical space, proper ventilation, and clean bedding matter far more than how many square meters you're working with. Small space, big results. That's the earthly gardening way. Myth 2. Chickens are too expensive to keep. This one has scared off so many people, and honestly it breaks my heart because it's built on a misunderstanding. Yes, there is a startup cost. The coop, the feeders, the waterers, the nesting boxes, that part is real, and nobody should pretend otherwise. But what people forget to do is long-term math. A healthy laying hen produces roughly 250 to 300 eggs per year under good conditions. With just 3 hens, you could be looking at nearly 800 eggs annually. Think about what you currently spend on eggs every month, especially if you buy quality free-range or organic eggs. Now imagine cutting that expense dramatically for the next 5 to 7 years, because that is how long a productive hen can continue laying. Over time, those savings add up far faster than most people expect. And here is the part many people overlook completely. Chickens help reduce household waste. They happily eat many kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, fruit cores, leftover rice, and other safe food scraps that would otherwise end up in the trash. You are not just feeding chickens, you are converting food waste into fresh eggs. When you look at the full picture, chickens are not just a hobby expense. They can become one of the smartest and most practical investments you make in a backyard. Myth 3. You need a rooster to get eggs. This one comes up constantly, and it's one of the most widespread myths in backyard chicken keeping. A surprising number of people believe hens won't lay eggs unless there's a rooster nearby, but that's completely false. Hens produce eggs naturally as part of their regular biological cycle, whether a rooster is present or not. In fact, the eggs most people buy at the grocery store every week come from hens that have never been around a rooster at all. Those eggs are unfertilized, yet they are still perfectly normal and exactly what hens are meant to lay. The only role a rooster plays is fertilizing the eggs so they can develop into chicks. If you're not planning to hatch baby chickens or breed your flock, a rooster serves no purpose in egg production. This is especially helpful for people living in suburban or residential areas where roosters are banned due to noise restrictions. So if your goal is simply fresh eggs, rest easy, your hens will lay just fine without one. Real quick, if this video is already clearing up things you've wondered about for a while, do me a favor and hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more backyard gardeners who need to hear this. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is a great time. We post practical, money-saving gardening and homesteading content every week. Alright, back to the myths, and we're just getting to the good ones. Myth 4, chickens are loud and your neighbors will hate you. Here it is. The one I promised you at the start. And I want you to really pay attention here because this myth has probably done more damage than all the others combined. Yes, roosters are loud. Roosters crow at dawn and they don't stop. But hens? Hens are remarkably quiet animals. The loudest thing a hen does is what's called the egg song, a brief, happy clucking sound she makes right after laying. It lasts maybe 30 seconds to a minute. It's honestly kind of charming. Compare that to a dog barking for 20 minutes straight, or a lawnmower running every Saturday morning. Hens don't come close. In fact, most neighbors who live next to backyard chicken keepers don't even realize the chickens are there. The key is keeping your coop clean, keeping your flock small, and not keeping a rooster. Do those 3 things and your chickens will likely be the quietest thing in your backyard. The neighbor problem is almost always a rooster problem, not a chicken problem. Myth 5, backyard chickens attract rats and pests. This is one of those fear-based myths that gets repeated so often people start treating it like proven fact. And the reason it sticks is because there's a small grain of truth hidden inside it. Here's the reality: rats are not attracted to chickens themselves, they're attracted to easy food sources around chicken coops. Spilled feed, table scraps left in the run, open grain bags, and dirty feeding areas are what invite rodents in. The birds are not the issue. Poor feed management is. If you keep feed stored in sealed metal containers, clean up spilled grain regularly, and avoid leaving food out overnight, rats usually have no reason to stick around. Many backyard chicken owners in suburban and urban neighborhoods raise flocks for years without ever dealing with rodents because they manage their setup properly. It comes down to maintenance, not the presence of chickens. And here's the ironic part: chickens can actually help reduce pests around your yard. They eagerly scratch through soil hunting insects, grubs, larvae, and even small unwanted bugs that damage gardens. Managed correctly, chickens are often more of a pest solution than a pest problem. Myth 6, keeping chickens is too time-consuming. People often imagine that keeping chickens means constant work, early mornings, endless chores, and your whole schedule revolving around the coop. But in reality, that picture is far from the truth. On a typical day, caring for a small backyard flock usually takes only 10 to 15 minutes in the morning and another 10 minutes in the evening. You top off their feed, refresh the water, collect the eggs, and give the coop a quick check to make sure everything looks normal. That's the entire daily routine for most chicken keepers, less time than many people spend scrolling their phone before lunch. Yes, there are occasional bigger tasks, like cleaning out the coop every few weeks, replacing bedding, or handling the rare health issue if a bird seems off. But those are not everyday responsibilities. The regular maintenance is simple, predictable, and easy to fit into most schedules. Compared to many other pets, chickens are surprisingly low maintenance. They do not need walks, constant supervision, or much direct entertainment. Once their setup is in place, they mostly take care of themselves. If you can spare around 20 minutes a day, you can realistically keep chickens without it taking over your life. For most people, the time commitment is much smaller than they expected. Myth 7, chickens will destroy your garden. Garden lovers hear this one and immediately put chickens in the never happening category. And I understand why. You've spent real time and energy on your plants. The last thing you want is something tearing through your beds. But here's what people are missing. Chickens don't randomly destroy gardens. Chickens scratch and peck because that's how they forage, and if they're let loose in your vegetable patch without any boundaries, yes, they will dig things up. But that's a management issue, not a chicken issue. The solution is simple. Use your chickens intentionally. Let them into your garden beds after a harvest to clean up old roots, eat pests, and turn the soil. Then move them out before the next planting season. Many experienced gardeners rotate their chickens through raised beds on purpose because of how much they improve the soil. Chickens and gardens aren't enemies. Used the right way, they're one of the best partnerships your backyard can have. So there you have it, 7 myths that have been quietly keeping people from one of the most rewarding things you can do in your backyard. Not enough space, too expensive, too noisy, too complicated. Every single one of them falls apart the moment you look at it clearly. Backyard chickens are not just for farmers and homesteaders with acres of land. They're for anyone with a small outdoor space, a little curiosity, and the willingness to try something that actually works. If you're thinking about starting, start small. 3 hens. A simple coop. Clean water and good feed. That's all it takes to begin, and the rewards come faster than most people expect. If this video helped you see backyard chickens differently, I'd love to know which myth surprised you the most. Drop it in the comments. And if you know someone who's been on the fence about keeping chickens, share this video with them. It might be exactly what they need to finally take that first step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Earthly Gardening so you catch everything we put out. We've got more practical, budget-friendly content coming your way very soon. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and take good care of that backyard.